Are you ready to ensure your Cessna 172 remains safe and airworthy? This video will guide you through the essential annual and 100-hour inspection checklist. By following these steps, you'll maintain compliance and avoid costly repairs. To start, launch the eAuditor app on your device. Create a blank template and add fields for the aircraft's registration number, serial number, date, and inspector's name. Organize sections for each system, including airframe, engine, and instruments. Inspect the airframe for damage or corrosion. Ensure the wings and control surfaces are secure and fasteners are intact. Check the engine's oil level and look for leaks. Confirm the propeller has no cracks and is balanced. Examine the landing gear to ensure tires are in good condition and brakes work properly. Verify the electrical system's battery is charged and lights operate correctly. Ensure flight instruments function and controls move freely. During the inspection, use eAuditor to document results, add photos, and write comments. Once complete, export the report as a PDF to serve as an official maintenance record. This signed document is crucial for legal compliance. An annual inspection is required every 12 months and must be signed off by an authorized inspector. A 100-hour inspection occurs after every 100 flight hours, typically performed by a certified aircraft mechanic. You now understand the importance of the Cessna 172 inspection checklist. By following these steps, you ensure safety, compliance, and cost efficiency. Regular inspections keep your aircraft in top condition and ready for flight.